Hi, friends. This is our recap lesson for today. We are going to talk about why we are at home. Why are we at home? We have not been to school in a few days. School is closed, and we won't be going back to school for quite some time. But we want to talk about why we're at home, okay? So here's a little story. My school is closed. Today is different because my school is closed. We are home to stay healthy. That means so we don't get sick. I will be okay. You will be okay, friends. We're at home to stay healthy. Right now, we are staying home so that we don't get any germs. We talk about germs all the time, right? And so we're staying home so that we don't get sick. We don't want to catch any germs and we don't want to spread any germs. So while you're at home, Miss Charles would love for you to do this, okay? Make sure that you wash your hands. And when you're washing your hands, make sure you sing our hand washing song. Let's sing it right now so that we don't forget, okay? Are you ready? Front, back, in between my fingers, front, back, in between my fingers, front, back, in between my fingers. That's how we wash our hands. All right, friends, so that's what we have to do. You rinse off your hands and remember shake in the sink, and then you get your paper towel and you dry your hands off and then you turn off the water with the paper towel. Parents, this is a great hand washing tool. When they sing this song, they are washing their hands for at least 20 seconds. So that is what we do at school and what we hope that you're continuing to do at home to keep down those germs. And friends, also don't touch your face. If you've been outside playing in your yard or anything, make sure the first thing you do when you get inside, just like we do when we come from the playground, is wash your hands, okay? All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you later.